Hey guys, what's going on? BCraig here with BCraigTrades. Thanks for tuning back in to another video. Just wanted to have this be a quick little recap video. I got a crazy return today, 2,500% on one trade. I'm gonna show you guys that, and a couple other trades is following flow. And just want to kind of recap on the week. It was kind of a difficult week to trade, but we made it through. So let's go ahead and get right to it. As always, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like really helps out with the algorithm. Leave me some comments, hate, positive comments, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I can make more videos about, wherever it is, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we drop. I try to drop at least 2 videos a week and get some good content out over to you guys. But just want to go over some of the profits for today. I had traded PLTR and American Airlines, but that's just what I alerted to the group today. As you can see, the PLTR trade was good for 98%. I closed on 98% and went up all the way to around, I think, 110% or so. So I got some of those, and also I was swinging some American Airlines. I saw some flow on that, and I actually do want to show you guys what some of this flow looked like. Let me drag this over, because with this you'll be able to see kind of what I look for and when I'm following flow. So let's go ahead in here, type in American Airlines. There we go. Oh wow, it's a lot. I didn't know it was this much. Okay, so American Airlines trade was pretty early this morning. I went in a little earlier, but I saw some flow that I like. I knew that today I wasn't really going to be trading off of technicals, meaning I wasn't going to be trading off of chart wise. I was mainly going to be trading off of flow. I can really trust flow, and it's what I'm used to trading and how I trade. And as you can see right here, this big group right here. So I like to see flow that hits the same expiration, same strike. They all came in right here. The 3 5s and 19 strikes for American Airlines. What I did was, once I saw this flow come in, I went ahead and looked up the option chain and went and looked to make sure that the option contracts were moving. As you can see right here, they were moving a little bit right here. I scaled out of some of these. If I go to the alerts tab for today, yep, I entered some entry American Airlines 19 calls, 3-5 expiration. I said light position, possible swing, because there was kind of far out. It's a 3-5 expiration. Usually I like the end of the week expirations and the next week, which is like 2 weeks out. So I got in at 58. I had exit some at 68, then exit some more at 74. I still do have a couple more of those left over. That chart does look good right now. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see. I'm trying to drag this over for you. Here we are. Make this a little bigger. And here's the American Airlines chart today. As you can see, it really shot up today. The option contracts weren't really moving at first. You see, it was really shot up here. I was in there for a little while. I scaled out some of them right around here, and I'm really just letting the rest of them sit. They have their 3-5 expiration, and as you can see, it was moving up in after hours too. So that's kind of a good sign. I'm hanging on to these a little while longer. The ones I did take profit on, I believe I got those. I got out of those for like 20% or so. Let's see. I believe it was 20%. And yeah, 24% on the American Airlines trade. So not bad there. That's a simple flow trade. Now next, I want to go over the PLTR trade. So what I need to do here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up this chart. And the little backstory in the PLTR, as you know, Cathie Woods always releases what her hedge fund is buying and selling at the end of every day. And at the end of yesterday, she made it known that she had bought 5 million shares of PLTR. So, judging from that, I was like, okay, PLTR should be pretty primed and ripped. A lot of people are going to be following in behind this trade. Now, I told you guys before, I don't like trading the first 5 to 10 minutes of the market. As you can see here, PLTR really ran up here at the first 5 minutes, and they came all the way back down. So I was just waiting for the perfect opportunity to come back in. If I would have got in at the top right here, kind of would have killed some of the premium coming back down. The option contracts are really juiced towards the beginning of the day. So what I went ahead and did was, I went ahead and waited. So I waited to like 9:35, 9:40 is just when I got into the trade. Let's see. I got in this PLTR trade. Let me go to the alerts. I got in the PLTR trade at 86. So $86 a contract. This was, as I had alerted right here, this was a risky lotto trade. So I got in at 0.86. And another way how I trade is I always chart out my levels. So I got in just around here, 0.86 or so, and I was watching it go up, and I knew that we had some resistance right here. So right around here, I unloaded a couple of my contracts just in case we rejected, but we were looking pretty strong. As you see, rejected a little bit, came back down, and then we shot right through there. And once we shot through there, I was, feeling good, really good green candle through that break, and then we had a little rejection, not as much at 28 level right here, more so at the 28.80. There was a little bit less resistance here, but still some. And I rolled those up, and I literally got out, I believe like right around here, around the 29.20 mark. Missed out on a little bit of profits, but as you can see, it kind of came back down there, and they really didn't see that high again. So I was still pretty happy with that trade. Got in at 0.86, scaled out some at zero point 0.7, at 0.90, 0.95. So basically at increments of 5 to 10, I was just scaling out some. I went in pretty deep with these contracts. I really trusted the flow. I was looking at just trade from yesterday too, so I felt pretty comfortable with that. Another trade I do want to show you guys, I did grab a quick lotto trade, and this was not with pure luck, but it was just a crazy trade. As you can see right here, so I traded some wafer calls. I saw the range that wafer was trading in, and I literally just went this gamble. This is a complete gamble for the most part. So I have bought in, I think, 2 calls for about $5 a contract. Stepped away from it. If I lost $10, I wasn't going to care on the day. Stepped away from the trade. Was playing Call of Duty. Next thing I look over, and those calls had jumped to about $90 a contract, and I was like, whoa. And actually at the high it was like at 130 or so, but I wasn't able to get a fill. But as you can see, I had got out for 2,500%, which is the craziest percentage ever. So basically turned $10 into 130 in about 20 minutes or so. So that was pretty good trade. Oh, and actually too, I forgot, guys, let me go ahead and rewind a little bit. I do want to show you the PLTR trade here. So when I was trading PLTR, what I do look for, I look for the volume to kind of stay steady or keep increasing and not decrease, or I am looking for the flow in the trade. And here's the flow for PLTR, and they're still hitting these up for 3-5 expirations, but the flow in it was pretty crazy. Shout out to BlackBox stocks. If you do want to get in on this, I do have a referral link that's in my description. You can get in for $8 for your first month. It really helps me trade. It's knowing where the smart money is going, gives you some guidance to the market. Don't have to, use all your brain power in the world for all these technical tradings and earnings and levels and this and that. You really can just follow flow. It's the most simplest way to make money in the stock market. But yeah, here's this trade right here, guys, and this is all the flow that came for PLTR. And literally, as I'm in the trade, we're hitting these certain resistance points. I'm looking like, okay, we're good here, flow still coming in, volume still looks good. So this is all around good trade. We're good for 100%. Lotto Friday, was really happy with that. Some members got in on that trade too. And if you do want to join the Discord, the link is to the first pinned comment underneath this video. You can join the free Discord, the main chat. I do also have a premium chat where I'm really shouting out all my trades here and everything, guys. But that's about it. A really choppy week this week, guys. The SPY was in a weird range. We're down, then we're up, down and up. It was a really tough week to trade. A lot of traders even better than me with way bigger accounts weren't even making as near as many trades as I did. So that's how I knew that it was a real choppy market. February is kind of was adding up to be a little bit more tough than January was. But what you want to do is always protect your profits. No need to overtrade or trade just because you're bored. Just look for those good setups and we'll get through it. But thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you tune in next time. Thanks.